How to sell online with Shopify and Clickfunnels. Hello guys, in this video, I am going to tell you how to sell online with Shopify and Clickfunnels in 2022 and start making money right away. I am going to discuss some of the best things that you should do before you start selling online with Shopify and Clickfunnels. First thing is choose how to sell online. You need to know that working out how to sell online can feel overwhelming. We know from first-hand experience, we are here to help you sort through most choices and find the best way to sell online for you. 4 ways to sell online are e-commerce store builders like Shopify, marketplace like Amazon, Etsy, and social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and many more. But here is a thing to remember. You don't have to choose between all these. You can sell online across different channels without hiring an army of staff, giving up on sleep, or growing another pair of arms. How? In a nutshell, e-commerce store, made with Shopify and Clickfunnels, provides apps that allow you to integrate your online selling with Amazon and Facebook. Linking your own store to your social media or marketplace can be done at the click of a button. This means your products are synced with your Facebook. So when a customer visits your Facebook page, they will see the product is listing on your own store. The second thing is selling on your own e-commerce store. Running your own store is the best way to sell online because you are in complete control. You decide the look and feel of your store and how your products are presented. You are not vulnerable to the external factors, such as algorithm updates, and you don't have to compete in a crowded market. If you want to change something, you can. You don't have to wait for Amazon or Facebook. An algorithm update means a platform like Facebook has changed how it decides which page and content to favor. Only store builders like Shopify and Clickfunnels let you choose and showcase your products and process sales in a faster and easier way. You can automate a lot of mundane process, giving you more time to focus on other parts of your business. The third thing is work out your online selling strategy. Once you have decided how to sell online, it is time to think about your business strategy. We know from first-hand experience how tricky it can be to get an online business off the ground. It can feel like a long journey from a great idea to your first sale. Don't panic. We are here to help you on that journey. One of the first steps is to have a business strategy. We will run through some of the key questions to ask before you start your selling online. Firstly, what you hope to achieve. You should know what you want to achieve and how soon you want your store to be successful. Secondly, what margin are you looking to make? Anyone can blindly start selling online, but you need to work out your margin. Let's keep it simple. Find out how much it costs you to produce, buy, and then deliver your product and minus this from how much you want to charge customers. Thirdly, who are your competitors? When it comes to selling online, standing on the shoulders of giants helps you see further. There is no shame in learning from the best. Run your search in Amazon, Google, and Facebook for the products you want to sell and see who appears at the top. These are the top sellers who have got it figured out. Fourthly, how are people spending their money online? The better you know your customer, the better you can match their needs, and the better you match their needs, the more dollars you are going to make. A huge part of this is letting customers pay how they want to. How will customers find you and your products? A surprising number of e-commerce entrepreneurs forget to think about this while learning how to sell online. You can attract customers by blogging about your products or sending out email campaigns. The fourth thing, what products to sell online? This is the main question. Don't find customers for your products. Find products for customers. We love this quote from Seth Godin. It sums up how, if you want to sell online, your products are critical. Here is the good news. We are about to show you how you can make sure there is a demand for your product. We have broken it down to 3 main questions. How do you know what products to sell online? How do you source products to sell online? How do you present product so they can sell online? How do you know what to sell online? All e-commerce entrepreneurs dream of predicting the next big thing. But to do that, you need to understand some things. For example, use Google Trends. It gives you a lot of information. Then conduct keyword research. Use Google Keyword Planner. Many other different ways are now available to do keyword research for online selling, and also read online forums. The more you read, the more knowledge you get about your customers, and you learn from big stores. Try to learn from the mistakes and gains of your competitors. The more you try to learn, the more you learn and the more profit you can get. How do you source products to sell online? Now, you want to know how you can source purchase from a wholesaler or manufacturer. This is the most difficult thing you can do, so try not to do that. This is not the market to do that. Source the product from a dropshipper. This is the best way. 90% of dropshipping businesses are working this way, and e-commerce business rely on the dropshippers. How do you present product for sale? You need to give a very good product images and product descriptions. The high-quality resolution pictures should be used to provide as many views as possible. Write product description. This is one of the main features in the SEO of any e-commerce store. You should know how to write the product description so it can show up at the top spot in Google search. Blogging is also a great way to boost your store's SEO and sell your brand. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in my next video.